Now we sit here looking at South Africa and Sanford, Florida, and thinking that justice is being done. But you got to remember that the prosecution is a part of that same apartheid system down there in Florida, in Sanford, Florida. The prosecution is part of the same system as the law enforcement system down there. Law enforcement system didn't give a damn about Trayvon, so you can be sure that that same white, predominantly white apartheid system in Sanford, Florida, the judicial system don't give a damn about Trayvon either. They're part of the same system, ran by the same people. I wouldn't be surprised to find out that the damn prosecution is trying to lose this damn case. They almost completely lost the case by this medical examiner coming up there and giving this dubious testimony. As you can see him on the TV here in the background, I got this television showing of the trial as I'm commentating. But this medical examiner came up here and got on the stand and gave some dubious testimony and presented evidence that almost completely annihilated his credibility with those personal notes. And he was the last witness for the state. Two major mistakes by the prosecution in the prosecution of this case. Prosecution is not a first-year law student. They know the damn, they know the significance. And this man has been testifying in court cases for a long time, so he knows the do's and don'ts about the proper protocol when going to trial. Why would he go into trial on a nationally televised trial with some personal notes, reading from the damn notes? You know you can't read from some notes. You can refresh your memory. Refresh your memory if you have a lack of memory. Look at the notes and refresh your memory. Read them to yourself. You cannot say them out loud. Refresh your memory by reading the notes quietly to yourself, and then making a statement. Then it's not an issue then. And he should know that. He's been testifying for a long time. He's a medical examiner. His job requires him to go to court as a medical examiner all the time. So, read and refresh your memory, but you can't read the damn notes themselves. You should know that. And I think he did know that. But he made it an issue by reading from the notes. And the only thing that did was make it seem like he was biased and in cahoots with the DA as to what he was going to testify to in court. Yep, this man, shit. Why would you hire a medical examiner who can barely control the English language when a medical examiner, one of his major responsibilities is to go to court and testify in court? And as you can see, this man, he controlled the English language, but he really couldn't explain himself as he should, because he didn't have that good of control of the English language. Why would you hire some damn body that don't have a complete control of the English language? Well, that was my comments about the first half of this case. And then they had the motion for directed verdict, which nobody really any knowledge of law believes that the judge was going to grant a damn motion to dismiss this case, which she did not. It has to be presented to the public that there is justice going on. This is nothing but deception, public deception of justice. This is a deception of justice going on in Sanford, Florida.